Meet the Leatherman Bond Multitool 17 in 1, a lightweight stainless steel EDC solution inspired by the original Leatherman packaging. 17 essential tools into one compact design from plier and a durable 420 HC non-locking blade to wire stripper and standard screwdriver. This multi-tool is built to tackle everyday tasks with ease. With just 6.21 ounce and featuring ergonomic contoured handles, it's comfortable to use and back leather men's. Perf. So this is a tool. Uh, so please check out in the description for more details and buying affiliate link.